It all begins with collecting discarded paper, carefully sorted for quality.
Each bale is carefully handled to maintain integrity for recycling. Proper loading ensures materials arrive at the facility without damage. Transport is a critical link, connecting raw materials to the recycling plant. At the facility, all collected paper begins the transformation journey. Safety is paramount. Workers wear protective gear while handling materials.
Proceed. Next one in.
Bales are organized by grade and source, ensuring uniform processing. Before recycling, paper undergoes careful inspection and pre-shredding. Shredding reduces paper to manageable pieces, a crucial first step.
The texture is perfect. Moisture content is confirmed. Moving to the next stage.
Pulp flows through secured pipelines, ready for the next stage of production. Specialized trucks move wet pulp efficiently across facility sections. Every connection is checked to prevent spills and maintain hygiene. The flow begins. Monitoring levels ensures each tanker carries the exact required volume. On the move, each load is carefully navigated to avoid delays or contamination. Each transfer is precise, minimizing waste and ensuring consistent pulp quality. The intake hopper ensures a steady, controlled flow for efficient processing. From hopper to mixer, pulp begins its transformation into usable sheets. Mechanical mixing creates uniform pulp, ready for the refining stage. Consistency is key. Workers manually verify texture and moisture. Refining prepares pulp for sheet formation, ensuring a smooth final product. The facility is designed for efficient flow, from raw materials to finished notebooks. Access control ensures safety and maintains quality standards throughout the plant. Inside, the journey of recycled paper begins its transformation.
Keep it steady, 55% flow. Checking rollers on the left. Pulp is sliding, maintain the current speed. Looks good, entering pre-clean.
Holding tanks regulate flow, ensuring machines downstream receive consistent pulp. Pipelines maintain controlled transport, preventing blockages and overflow. Camera pans to worker valves controlling flow. Manual adjustments ensure the right consistency for sheet formation. Refining aligns fibers, making the pulp suitable for high-quality paper sheets. A seamless transfer prepares the pulp for initial sheet formation. Pressing removes excess water, strengthening sheets for further processing. Human inspection complements machines, catching what automated systems might miss. High-precision scanners identify inconsistencies invisible to the naked eye.
Contaminated sections are removed, maintaining quality standards. The camera follows clean sheets continuing on the conveyor.
Keep these sheets moving. Checking color and thickness. Adjust the guide slightly. Looks good.
Manual adjustments keep the sorting process precise and consistent. Organized stacks allow for efficient pressing and drying in the next phase. sheets are carefully transferred to maintain integrity before drying.
Drying removes water content gradually, preventing warping or tears.
Precision cutting ensures sheets are uniform and ready for notebook production. Refining aligns fibers, creating a consistent texture for premium notebook paper.
Keep an eye on the consistency here.
Looks good, moving it along.
Feed the pulp steadily.
Check the thickness of these sheets.
Additives enhance durability and create the signature smooth finish. Precise feeding ensures even layer formation for high-quality sheets. As water drains, the pulp consolidates into continuous paper sheets. Pressing strengthens sheets and removes excess water for smoother texture. The sheets move into the drying tunnel. Drying is gradual to prevent warping, maintaining premium quality.
Cutting to exact dimensions is critical for uniform notebook production.
The organized stacks are ready. Let's move them to the binders. Affirmative. Bring them over here. Watch the alignment.
Correct placement. Sliding the stack in. Watch the alignment.
Binding secures sheets, forming durable, high-value notebooks. The main transformation begins with applying premium covers to each notebook. Precise adhesive application binds covers securely to the pages. Camera tilts toward pressing machine for cover attachment. Pressing ensures a strong bond and eliminates air pockets. Trimming sharpens edges, giving notebooks a polished appearance. Precision at this stage ensures each notebook meets high-quality standards. Embossing adds branding or decorative elements, enhancing notebook value. Cooling stabilizes the adhesive and embossed patterns for durability. Automated inspection detects any defects that manual checks might miss. Defects are removed, ensuring only perfect products continue in production. Bundling prepares notebooks for packaging, maintaining order and protection. Shrink wrapping safeguards notebooks during transport and storage. High-tech robots sort notebooks efficiently, reducing manual handling. Barcode scanning ensures accurate inventory and batch tracking in real time. Precise alignment prepares notebooks for high-speed packaging. Automated palletizing speeds up production while reducing human strain. Forklifts transport pallets efficiently to storage or dispatch areas.
All checks passed here. Good to go.
Looks stable, confirming shipment. Excellent.
All right, let's get those straps secured.
Looks good. Okay. Looks good. Here we go.
Verified. Move it out. Pallet secured. Initiate transfer to the loading bay.
Confirmed. Dock 3 is clear and waiting.
Proceed with caution. Excellent timing.
The final automation stage ensures notebooks are safely packaged for delivery. Finishing lines ensure notebooks are flawless, from edges to spine. Human oversight complements automation to maintain high standards.
Smoothing edges enhances aesthetics and prepares notebooks for packaging. The conveyor belt then moves them to the next station to apply protective corner coatings.
Corner protection ensures notebooks retain their premium quality over time. High-resolution cameras detect imperfections invisible to the naked eye. Our automated system ensures only perfect notebooks make it through.
Defective items are reprocessed to maintain the factory's strict quality standards. Batch numbering ensures traceability for premium notebooks.
Every batch is verified automatically for consistency and accuracy.
Shrink wrapping protects notebooks from moisture and handling damage.
Bundling organizes notebooks efficiently for storage and transport.
All right, sample secure. Let's move it to testing. Excellent. Proceed to station 3.
Time for the tear and flexibility tests. We need to ensure these sheets withstand regular use without damage. Let's start the test sequence now. The results look promising.
Ink tests confirm the paper's suitability for high-quality writing and printing. Data logging provides traceability, ensuring each batch meets strict standards. With quality verified, notebooks are prepared for storage and shipment. Finished notebooks are carefully stored, maintaining their quality until shipment. Precise placement ensures safety and easy retrieval of stock.
Looks good. Position confirmed.
Scanning inventory. Digital scanning tracks every pallet, guaranteeing accurate inventory records.
Pallets are moving smoothly. Confirmed, they are ready for the dock. Truck is arriving now. Preparing for loading.
The system shows optimal alignment.
Initiate dock leveler sequence now.
Pallet engaging the truck bed.
Verify secure loading. All right, bring it on in. Easy now, looks good. Secure that one and grab the next.
Securing pallets prevents movement and damage during transportation. Make sure that's tight.
Looks good. Close them up.
From raw recycled paper to premium notebooks, every step is carefully managed.
And this is how modern factories produce recycled notebooks from start to finish.
Every stage is precise, automated, and verified to deliver premium quality.
Stay tuned for more inside looks at high-value manufacturing processes.